Why do people love living in St. Andrews? The lot sizes are massive, the homes are newer with plenty of room to grow into, and when you come home, it feels like you've arrived. I could tell you about hardwoods, granite counters, cabinetry, but what makes a house a home is how you live in it. Picture this. You come home from work, prepare a meal while your children finish their homework. Or Friday night, you have some friends over, and the great room layout here means you're always part of the conversation. And when dinner's ready, there's room enough here for everyone. So where are you in your family journey? Do you have little ones that need your attention through the night? Having 3 bedrooms up here makes that easy. You know what else makes that easy? Having upstairs laundry. Maybe you have older teens looking for their own space. The lower level is exactly what you've been waiting for. There's room for an office. This is where your pool table can go. Plenty of room for your movie theater. And your teen will be quite content with their own bedroom, away from the rest of the family. Plus, their own full washroom, just for themselves. I love how they've used this 1.4 acres of space. This huge field, maybe for a family soccer game? Fenced-in area, perfect for keeping your kids and pets safe. If you can picture yourself splashing around in the pool or sunbathing on this huge deck, give me a call. This could be your next home.